Click on the link below to get price. The Quest Dehumidifier 70 Pint is a robust solution for anyone struggling with excess moisture in their home or workspace. Designed for efficiency and performance, it effectively removes up to 70 pints of water per day, making it ideal for larger areas such as basements and garages. This unit features a durable and compact design that is surprisingly lightweight, allowing for easy mobility from one room to another. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its energy efficiency. Operating at a lower energy consumption rate compared to many competitors, it can help reduce utility bills while effectively maintaining a comfortable humidity level. The integrated digital display provides real-time humidity readings, allowing users to monitor conditions easily. Additionally, it comes with a programmable timer and adjustable humidity settings, which adds to its versatility. The noise level of the Quest Dehumidifier is commendable. While some units can be quite loud, this one operates at a relatively low decibel level, making it suitable for use in quiet environments like bedrooms or offices. This is crucial for those sensitive to noise while trying to relax or focus on work. Setup and maintenance are straightforward. The unit includes a continuous drainage option, which can be a significant plus for those wanting to avoid the hassle of manual emptying. The collection tank is easy to access and empty when needed, and the filter is washable, making upkeep a breeze. While the Quest Dehumidifier starts at a mid-range price point, the performance and durability it offers justify the investment. Users marvel at how quickly it begins to reduce humidity levels, often within hours of operation. Overall, the Quest Dehumidifier 70 Pint is a reliable and efficient choice for anyone seeking to improve indoor air quality and reduce moisture-related issues in their environment. It strikes a perfect balance between functionality, design, and user-friendliness, making it a top contender in the dehumidifier market.